Up in the sky so blue, a train of birds comes into view. Fluffy wings and colors bright, flying high in morning light.
Choo choo choo, hear the whistle blow. Birdie friends are ready to go. Parrots, sparrows, doves and finches flap their wings and do sweet pinches. Clouds below and sun above, every bird sings a song of love. Of adventure in the clouds, through cotton castles drifting high. Birdies soar and touch the sky, rainbow arches glow in light.
Kites of dreams take joyful flight, every flap a giggle and cheer.
Magic whispers we all hear. Flying, flying birdie train, through the clouds above the rain. Sing along, laugh and play, we'll reach the castle today.
Birds and kids in harmony, dancing on clouds so magically.
Meeting cloud castle friends. Cloud cats purr and cloud dogs bark. Sunbeams sparkle like tiny sparks. Fairy rabbits hop in line, dancing to the tune divine.
Birdies join and spin around.
Fun and laughter all about. As the sun begins to set, birdies wave, no time to fret. Rainbow train heads down once more, back to fields and river shore.
Kids wave hands and shout hooray.
Thanks birdie train for this lovely day.
So whenever clouds drift high,
Look up and don't be shy. Flying birdie train is near, whistling